Hey guys, it's Kat, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to make the granny square blanket for the Minnie Mouse or Mickey Mouse head. So this video is going to show you the first part, which is the granny stitch blanket with the scallop edging. So let me show you what you're going to need to make this cute little blanket here, Lovey. Okay, so what you're going to need to make your granny square Lovey is your choice of worsted weight yarn. I am using, you don't need that. I am using just Red Heart Super Saver White, Black, and Pretty and Pink. So those are the three colors, or your choice of colors, red, white, or black, whatever you guys want. Your eye hook, 5.5 millimeters, tapestry needle, and scissors. So let me show you how to get started. Okay, to start your granny square, you are going to, this is how I start. I start with a magic circle, and this is how I do my magic circle. Take my yarn, and I just kind of fold it over. You're going to insert your hook. You're going to pull up a loop, and you're going to chain 3. And the chain is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So that was 3. You're going to do 2 double crochets. Double crochet is yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the other 2 loops. You're going to make another double crochet, yarn over, insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the other 2. Now you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and now, so now you have your chain 3, which counts as a double crochet. So you have your 3 double crochet, and now you're going to do another 3 double crochet in your magic circle. 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. You're going to do another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 3. So you have 1, 2. Okay, you're going to chain. You're going to do another 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 3. So you have 1, 2, 3, and this is going to be your 4th corner. So you're going to take your tail and you're going to tighten it up, and you're going to slip stitch it to your very first double crochet. So slip stitches, you insert your hook, you grab your yarn, you pull through, and now you're going to chain 5 double crochet. So you're going to chain 5. You're just going to chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're going to do a series of 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. So we're going to 3 double crochet in our chain 3 space here. So 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do another another 3 double crochet in this chain space here. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do 3 double crochet into our chain 3 space again. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3, 3. We're going to do another 3 double crochet in that same chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to do another 3 double crochet in our next chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3 again. And we're going to do another 3 double crochet in that same chain 3 space. We're going to chain 3 again. We're going to do another 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3. And then we're just going to do 2 double crochets in that same chain 3 space. 1, 2. And we are going to slip stitch. You're going to slip stitch in the second chain from the 5 that you made from the previous round. So there's 1, and then there's 2. So you insert your hook and you slip stitch, and you should have 3 chains left. So 1, 2, 3, just like you would have a chain 3 space. And then this is where I change colors. I get my next color and I just pull through, and then I chain my 3, my 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you chain 3, and then you're going to do 2 double crochet in the space because this is going to count as your double crochet already. So 2 double crochet. You're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. And we're going to do the same thing in the corners. 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We're going to chain 3, and we're going to do 3 double crochet in that same chain 3 space because it's your corner and you want it to turn into a square, not a circle. We're going to chain 3 again. And now we're just going to do a set of 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space. We're going to chain 3 again. And we're back in a corner, so we got to do another series of 3 and chain 3. So 3 double crochet. Chain 3. And another set of 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet in this chain 3 space, chain 3, back in a corner, so we got to do another chain 3, you're going to do 3 double crochet. Now you're going to chain 3, and you're going to do 3 double crochet in that same stitch, again to make a nice corner. You're going to chain 3, 3 double crochet in this chain space, you're going to chain 3. Okay, and we're back in our corner here. Okay, so now you're going to do, we're in another corner, so we're going to double crochet 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 3 double crochet again, 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 3, and you're going to slip stitch it to the very first, to the very last chain 3 that you made right here. And you're going to chain, chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now you're going to do 3 double crochet in this spot here. 1, 2, 3. You're going to chain 3. we're back in a corner, so 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet, then it's going to be chain 3, 3 double crochet. You're going to do this all the way around until you get to this last corner, and I'll show you what to do next. Okay, so once you've gone around your and made your corners and you're here, you are now going to do 2 double crochet in this last one. After you're done your chain 3, you're going to do 2 double crochet. Come on, your yarn, work with me here. And you're going to slip stitch to your second chain. Okay, and then this is where I add another color, and I'm gonna add black because I'm doing a Mickey, or I'm doing a Minnie Mouse thing. Where is the beginning of this freaking yarn? So you're gonna do the same thing like I did adding the pink. You're just gonna pull through and you're gonna chain 3. Okay, and you're gonna do 2 double crochet. You're going to chain 3. So you've got your first granny square here. Okay, now you're going to do 3 double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 3. So you literally do this process around and around, and you can do this with half double crochets. That's totally fine. Smaller hook, bigger hook, it depends on how big you want the thing. So I do this for my Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse Loveys. I do this till I have 16 rounds. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on until I have 16 rounds, and at the end I either double crochet around or I do a scallop stitch. So at the end I'll show you how to do both. Okay, so I've done my 16 rounds of granny squares. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6. So 16 rounds, and I'm on my last one here. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and now we're gonna do the scallop, just the scallop edge. So you're gonna chain 2. Now if you just want to do double crochet in each one, like you for like a boy one, like for Mickey, you just do 2 double crochets in each space, and then 3, and then 2 double crochets. If you do 3, it seems to kind of be a little bit more I don't know, more, I don't want to say flimsy, but I just like the way it looks better. But you guys do whatever you want, and you can do 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a scallop edge on my on mine. So what I got to do first, I'm sorry, you're not going to single crochet 2. Okay, so you're going to slip stitch in your second one here and chain 1. And what I'm going to do first is I'm going to single crochet around, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 3 single crochet in this chain 3 space. So just a regular single crochet is you insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So that was 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do single crochet in your 3 stitches from your double crochet, and then you're going to do 3 double crochet in your next one, and you're going to do that all the way around. And then when you get to the corners, you got to make sure you do your 3 single crochet in here too. So let's do that all the way around, and then I'm going to show you the scallop. Okay, so you've done your single crochets, 3 in your spots and your chain 3, and then 3 single crochets in your double crochets. So you're going to slip stitch to your very first single crochet you made, and you're going to chain 2, and you're going to skip 2, 1, 2. So in your third stitch you're going to do 5 double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 1, 2 stitches, and you're going to slip stitch in the third stitch. So it's going to look like that. Then you're going to skip 1, 2 stitches, and you're going to make 5 double crochet in that stitch. 3, 4, 5. You're going to skip 2 stitches and slip stitch in the third, and you're going to repeat that all around. And this is what you're going to have, like this, but I like to do this for the Minnie Mouse because she's a girl and it's more girly. So do that all the way around, weave in your ends, and we'll see the finished product. Okay, so this is your finished granny square blanket. This is like part 1 of the Minnie Mouse / Mickey Mouse tutorial. So this is how the scallop edge looks. Looks really cute. So you weaved in all your ends and all that stuff. I hope you guys make it, enjoy it, share it, like it, pin it, all that great stuff. And I'm gonna do the second part where I make the Minnie or Mickey head that gets attached to the top. So stay tuned for that one. I'm gonna post that one too. So thank you guys for watching, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you, bye.